Anong wrong?
18 birthday.
18.
Dito na.
BU, not the 8.
Arthur Ritter.
No, wrong, that's wrong.
Yes.
The modern way of spelling now. O, sige din naman.
Ito sa akin itong
Anong gusto mo? May drumstick.